Here in my garage, just bought this new Honda Fit here. Fun to drive up here in the Alpharetta Hills. But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things? Miles per gallon. In fact, I'm a lot more proud of the 48 miles that I can travel on just a single gallon of petrol. But the real reason I have this Honda Fit here is because that it's a reminder that it wasn't long ago that carbon was less than 400 ppm. It's like the climatologist Gore once said, the more you burn, the more you learn. That carbon emissions and greenhouse gases is a serious problem. People ask me all the time, what do you like most about your Honda Fit? Is it the 100 horsepower that you get out of it? Is it the heads that you turn? Now, I'd be lying if I said I didn't like all these things. But what I like most is that I'm slowing down the process of carbon emissions into the atmosphere. In a world where global temperatures have gone up on average 0.8 degrees Celsius since 1850, I sleep better at night knowing I drive a Honda Fit. Now, some climatologists believe that within the next 100 years or so, we can go over 800 ppm. Let's face it, this is the world we live in, and by then, temperatures can go up another 2 to 4 degrees. And I don't think you or I want to be responsible for slowing down thermal haline circulation due to influx of fresh water from melting ice caps. Now, I'm not saying you can go out tomorrow and buy yourself a Honda Fit, but there are things that you can do to lower your carbon emissions. For example, you can make sure your tires are properly inflated. You can turn off the lights when you leave a room, and you can, take it easy on the thermostat. Buy yourself